Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So today we are going to solve question using XOR operator. The question says that you have given an array of integers and every number is repeated twice except the one number, and you have to find out that number. So the one way is you can use a map and start counting the total number of integers, right? So here the count of 1 is going to be 1, and 2 is going to be 2, and 3 is going to be 2. So I have to just check the count whose count is 1. That is going to be my answer. Let's start using the XOR operator. Now, as I told you in the previous video, that there is a property of XOR. When the same numbers, we always get 0. So let's see why. So 2 is this 0 and 0, right? What's the XOR of these numbers? So the digits are same, it is 0. Digits are same, so it's 0, right? So here this is going to be 0, this is going to be 0. In that we are only going to see this one. So this is going to be our answer. So our answer is 1. Let's see the code. We started from 0 and we are doing XOR of every number. So all the numbers that are present twice in the array, they all are going to be 0 except the number whose frequency is 1. So in this case 1 is here, 4, that is 1 0 0, it's going to be 1 0 0. Now XOR of 1 0 0 with 2, that is 1 0, it's going to be 1 1 1. Now XOR of 2 with 1, that is 0 0 1, it's 1 1 0. So this is 1, this is 4, this is 2, this is 1. So we are here. Now XOR of 3 is 0 1 1. It's going to be 1 0 1. So this is 3. Now XOR of 2, 0 1 0. So it's 1 1 1 2. 2 is also done. Now XOR of 3 is 0 1 1. It's 1 0 0. So 1 0 0 is 4. Let's check out that this 4 is unique or not. So we have 1. Yes, we have 1 here. Do we have 2? Yes, we have 2 here. Do we have 3? Yes, we have 3 here. So yes, 4 is the unique number. So 4 is our answer. That's all guys. Thank you for watching this video.